Today I'm going to show a beginner's method for solving a 3x3 Rubik's Cube using a layer by layer method and using what I feel is the 5 easiest algorithms for beginners to learn. Now let's get to solving this thing, huh? So I'm going to use the what we call a daisy method. All that is yellow center with the white edge pieces surrounding yellow center. So you don't really have to match up anything else. Just bring the white edge pieces next to the yellow. So here we got one there. So we'll spin this one since it's already up there. We'll put that white one up. We got another white one over here, so we'll spin that back out the way. Bring that white one up. And we got this white one that's down here, so we'll spin this so that it doesn't mess up our thing. We'll put it in front so it rotates, so we keep our other white ones. Now it's on this side, so we want to make this one open and bring it up. Now you got your daisy. Now all you're going to do is match up your edges with your centers and put the white down with the white to make your cross on the bottom. Okay, so this one's already matched up, just F2. Blue matches, F2, red, F2, and then green. Now you got your matching cross and centers. Now this one already fell in its place, so we got kind of lucky. This one's a good one because I want to show that, and this is already in there, so I want to show that too, and that one's not in the right spot. So this one is a little confusing for some people. As you can see, the white's facing up and it needs to be down, and these are flip-flopped. So you can either go this way in 1, 2, or this way 1, 2, depending on whichever way you want to do it. Doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to go through and we'll do left. So 1, 2, then bring it back down. I'll bring it over. Your corner matches with the center. White's on the left, so you're going to do your left algorithm, which is L prime, U prime, L, U. Puts it in its place. When they're already in its place, but the wrong way, just kick it out. Okay? But just remember, if you kick it out this way, it's going to be facing up, so you don't want to do that. So bring it to where it's on its side, and then kick it out. It makes it easier to reinsert it. So blue matches, white's on the left, orange is on the left, so a left-hand algorithm, put it in. Okay? Same with this one. Don't want to do that because it'll be facing up, so stick with it on the side. This one's going to be a left-handed one too, so put it in its place. Alright, so now you got your bottom and your first layer, and your centers are lined up. So now we're going to put the second layer together, and we're going to put them in their correct places. Like this one's not in the right spot. This one needs to be over here. This one needs to be over here. So it's okay. We'll just kick them out. But we're going to start with the one that we do have, and then we're going to put it in its place, and when we put it in its place, it's going to kick that one out, so it'll be all right. Okay, so we got let's see if I have, no I don't. All right, so orange, with the orange center, and green. So put this on the opposite side of the side that the green is on. So like this one, the green is on the left, so you put the green away on the right. So line up your centers, green away, and then you're going to do your left-hand algorithm. Take this one out, and then you're going to do a right-handed algorithm to put both of them back in. See? Now we're going to find the other. So like here is a good example of the wrong piece. So here's a red, but it's got yellow on top. So you don't want to put that one because it's facing up. You need a red and a blue, or a red and a green. Okay, so let's see what we have up here. We don't have anything up there, so we got to kick one out. So kick it out, and then do the algorithm to reinsert the bottom one. Now we got this one out, so let's put it in its correct place. So blue, red, opposite side, right hand algorithm to take it out, left hand algorithm to put both of them back in. Okay. Now we got blue and orange, so put the blue at the center, orange is on there, so we put it to the opposite end. We're gonna do left hand to bring it out, right hand algorithm to put it back in, and then we got one last piece here. So green, red, so put it on the opposite, left hand algorithm to take it out, right hand algorithm to put it back in. Okay. Now I'm going to make this a worst case scenario for the top side. Worst case scenario after you put in your second layer is you only got one up here. You don't have no edge pieces at all. So now you just do the third algorithm that you, or second algorithm to make the top cross, which is, so we're going to do the right side. So we're going to do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. See how it's got this? Now if you did it on the left side, you'd want to turn it this way so it's on the left end, and then you just do your algorithm for left hand. But we're going to do it on the right side because we're using our right hand. So do the same algorithm again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now you got a line. Now you just do the same algorithm one more time. The only difference is you want to make sure you put this sideways. Okay? So F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now you got your top cross. Okay? So this one, you already have one up there, and then you got three that are not. So you can either do that on the left hand, or if you're going to do it on the right hand, you want to put the empty side on the right. Okay? So just make sure, or else you'll be, doing it extra times so you don't need to. So we'll just do the left since it's already here. So for the left hand of this algorithm, you'll go left, D, L prime, D prime, L, D, L prime, D prime, L, D, L prime, D prime, L, D, L prime, D prime. Now you rotate it, do the same thing. L, D, L prime, D prime, L, D, L prime, D prime, L, D, L prime, D prime, L, D, L prime, D prime. Last one. Voila. We got a match. Okay. Now none of them should match. Alright, so none match. So now you're going to work on this big U. So that'll be the fourth algorithm that you'll want to do. And we're going to, we'll do the right hand side because I think that'll work out a little better for demonstration. So we're going to do the right hand side. So you're going to do R prime, F, R prime, B2, then R, F prime, R prime, B2, R2. Okay, so now you should have one side that matches. See? Don't match, don't match, don't match, match. So the side that matches, turn it away from you. Okay? And you're going to do the same algorithm again, or you can do the opposite one. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to do opposite for the heck of it. So this time we're going to do the left side. So you're going to do L, F prime, L, B2, L prime, F, L, B2, L2. Okay? So now you should have one complete side. So you should have all your sides completed for the big U. Now this one we already have this one matched up, so I'll try to unmatch it real quick. So yes, so now this is the worst case scenario. none of your back walls match. So you're just gonna go through and do your M2, and then whichever one matches up to the back, or yeah, none of them match up to the back, so it doesn't matter. And then this, and then that, and then this one, whichever matches, and then 1, 2. So now you got your green that matches up, and none of the other ones do. So you put the side that's complete towards the back. You'll do the same algorithm again. 1, 2, and then blue is in the back, so this one will go there. If the blue is on this side, it just rotate that way. And then M prime, and then U2, then bring your M back up so the white matches. Green to the front so everything matches, and then M2, 1, 2. Now you got a solved cube. Hopefully that helped explain how to solve it. Good luck.